A picnic with friends. Today was the perfect day for a picnic with my friends. We packed sandwiches, fruit and juice, and went to the park. We found a nice shady spot under a big tree and spread out our blanket. After eating, we played hide and seek and tag. Running around with my friends made me feel so happy. Later, we all sat down and told each other funny stories. My friend Sarah told the funniest joke, and we all laughed so hard. Before leaving, we took a walk around the park and saw ducks swimming in the pond. We even fed them some crumbs. The day went by so fast because we had so much fun. I love spending time with my friends, and picnics are one of my favorite things to do. We promise to have another picnic soon. I'm already excited about our next one.